Hi there, it is Jo from Minerva, and today I have a super quick tutorial to show you this product, which is a Seraflock thread. It's a really fine 100% polyester thread, which is super strong for if you're making stretch knits and particularly good if you use your serger. You can use this thread on its own, so you can use 4 reels of this in your overlocker and you'll get a really strong machine thread. Now, it's not so strong on its own. It's quite a wispy, many plied thread, but in combination it's really strong. It's waterproof. It's great for dancewear, swimwear, any kind of active sportswear, lingerie. What else can you use it for? Any kind of knits or stretch jersey fabrics, because the sum of its parts makes it really strong. So when you use 4 of these in combination, you get a really strong seam that is very durable. This thread is also stretchy, so a bit like Mettler thread, a Seraflock thread gives an element of stretch, so you can use this on your overlocker because you're using a straight stitch on an overlocker. You're not using a zigzag, but this will give you a stretchy seam. Because it's really fine, it's really soft against your skin, and because I just showed you that sort of content of it, even though you've got 4 layers of it or a few layers of it in the overlocking threads, it doesn't make it bulky around your seam. It makes the seam really fine. So even though it's really for stretch fabrics, I've also used it in lingerie sewing where I just want my seams to be very slim. You can wash your garments that you've used Seraflock thread at 60 degrees, so that's great again if you're using it for activewear where you want to give your items a really good wash at the end, so this won't degrade or start to wear out as you wash it on a higher temperature. Seraflock thread doesn't shrink, so again if you're making activewear and you can pre-wash sort of lycra fabrics and you won't get much change in the dimensions of your fabric sample if you washed a square and measured it again, but the thread sometimes will shrink, so then that will bring your seams in, but this thread doesn't shrink. Let's take a look at how it works. You can use it 4 of them in your overlocker, or you can use it in combination with other threads. If you just want this to be the overlocker thread, you can use it just to get a fine raw edge, or if you want it for its strength qualities, then you can also use it in your 2 needles. First, let's take a look at the Seraflock thread, and it is an overlocker thread, so I've put those in my upper and my lower looper. I'm just showing that you can use these threads with different combinations if you want to. So these are in my upper and lower loopers. This is a cotton thread, and this is a really strong nylon thread. So this one is in my left needle because that's the one that I want to be really strong, and I want that to be the seam line, so if it peeks through, it's white. These are really fine threads. They're really sort of like angel hair. They're really thin, 100% polyester. This cotton one is a little bit thicker, and this nylon one is even stronger, and that one you can't break by pulling the threads. Let's have a look at what sort of chain we get with this combination and why we might choose Seraflock thread. This is the chain that we've just taken off. So we've got that thicker nylon thread. And the Seraflock thread is really fine. It's just making these little loops. Let's try it on some fabric. So we're choosing a stretch fabric, which is why we've got this finer thread, because we don't want to create lots of bulk. I'm just going to go through a single layer first. It makes a beautiful overlock because these threads are really fine, so this isn't any chunkier than when we started, just a little bit, but not like when you have cotton or all-purpose or polyester moon threads running over there. So if we want to put 2 layers together, we shouldn't get so much bulk, but we should still get a stretchy seam. Getting a little wrinkle there, so I've just changed my diff feed up a little bit. But we're looking today at the threads, not the setup. So you can see we've got the strong nylon thread, but we've still got a stretchy seam, and we've not created lots of bulk on the reverse. So Seraflock thread is really fine. Let's see if we can use it to sew with as well. So you wouldn't necessarily be using Seraflock thread to overlock the edge of lycra or dancewear fabric, because this fabric doesn't fray anyway. But if you want to use the Seraflock thread in your left and right needle and the upper and lower looper, you can get really, really great seams, which are strong, stretchy, durable, and good for making sure that you don't have really thick seams on something really streamlined like dancewear, swimwear or activewear. So let's take a look at overlocking and sewing the seam at the same time. I've got a piece of lilac coloured lycra. This is from our Minerva core range, and obviously you would have the matching colour in your left and right needle. But if we've got white, then we can take a look at the stitch length. My machine is set up with the left hand needle on 4, the right hand needle on 4, and I get a good overlock with tension 4 on my machine. I have just changed my diff feed, so my diff is on 0.5, just below 2. Let's take a look at the sort of stitch that we're going to get. So we've got a stretchy seam. The lower loopers are going to the top of the seam. The upper loopers are going to the top. They're not pulling from one side to the other. And you can still see the stitches there, so we could make this a little tighter. So when I'm on 5, it's much tighter there. I can still see those stitches, but that's because they're white. I could go a little tighter. And now the seam is really strong and we can put it under quite a lot of stress. So a Seraflock thread is really nice and slim. It's really smooth. I mean, if that was against your skin, you wouldn't really know that it wasn't just 2 layers of the lycra. So Seraflock thread is a thread for stretchy seams on stretchy fabrics. Really good for lycra, swimwear, dancewear, activewear and jersey knits. I hope that's answered your questions about Seraflock thread. If you've got any other questions, you can leave those in the product list below. Seraflock thread is made by Mettler, so it is a really good quality thread. If you have made anything and used the Seraflock thread, we'd love to see how you found it, what projects you chose to use it on and how it worked out for you. You can make a free account with us, share your makes and inspire other Minerva makers. Do head over to either our YouTube channel at Minerva or at Minerva's website, and you can check out all the different colours that this comes in and maybe start collecting a few threads that you can use in different projects. Thank you very much for watching. See you again soon.